What's up, everybody? I'm here with Daniel, and we have some exciting, well, Daniel does. Him and his team has some very exciting new releases coming on the Nug Smasher app for you commercial users. So commercial users, check this out, and anybody that does a large volume, check this out. Daniel, what do you got for us?
Well, I want to show you some advanced linking functionality we have now with our new app and our software here. So I'll show you. It's actually, at this point, you can actually pair your machine from the settings screen here. You see the QR code there. You see my machines here. You see I already have one machine. That's actually that machine over there. That's already connected.
This one here?
Yep.
And you're signed in under my account, is that correct?
That's correct, yeah, under your account.
So when you guys sign in, you have the Nug Smasher app, which is free, and we don't share your information and all that good stuff. When you have the Nug Smasher app and you actually make your sign in, you can use it not signed in as well and
That's
see
correct.
all kinds of information. But if you have a private, your recipes are private and you have it set that way and you're signed in and you're also signed in on your machine, your TERP profiles and your recipes will carry right over to the machine, and you'll be able to update those and load those into the actual front screen to be able to do the extraction from your recipe. So that being said, some new functionality coming to that. And if you guys don't have the Nug Smasher app right now, you alchemists out there and you hashers, you must get it, because it catalogs all of your recipes, and you're able to pictures and yield percentages and everything else. And guys have told me, well, you don't have hash recipes, but do it on the regular recipes. Make your notes. I mean, it's much better than those Excel sheets out there. So anyhow,
definitely.
Without interrupting you anymore, Daniel, go ahead.
No, good. I'm gonna go ahead and add this machine so we can start controlling this one. So we've got a scanner here for QR codes.
And I noticed you're using an Android phone.
I am, yes.
Will that be good on iPhones as well?
Yep.
Okay.
It'll be good as iPhones as well. Yep.
Right.
So now it took that number there, and it goes by your serial number. So we're going to add a functionality as a nickname as well, and change the names of them so you can label them certain ways, and have groups of them, and all that as well.
So guys, I'll add this release isn't out yet. It's coming. It's a new release coming out soon with the release of the Nug Smasher Pro IQ, that big commercial machine with the great big 10-inch plates, 10-inch by 7-inch plates. So it'll be out in a few short weeks or less with all this functionality. This is a version that we've been testing and using that's not available to you guys yet, but it's coming real soon. Okay. So you signed in on this machine.
I have, yeah. You can see
I'm
it's
signed
changed
in,
over now. Yep, I'll do the same on this one as well. So we can show 3 machines registered there. Go ahead and register there.
And will this do more than 3 machines?
Yes.
Okay.
As many as you want.
As many as you want. You
can
can
on
add.
the screen. You can just
so
at this point.
If I was a big commercial extractor and I had 30 machines, 15 and 15 lined up, I theoretically could set all the machines to my account, load the same recipe in all those machines, and control them all at the same time, right?
Yes.
And the machines would actually measure the individual surface area pressure and apply the consistent, even amount of pressure to get a consistent result on the product on every single one of the machines, right?
Exactly. Same process.
The key, guys.
Yep, exactly.
Something that no one else offers. Our proprietary calculator and machines in our methodology only do. So if you're having inconsistent results, we can give you consistent results. We have the TERP file, so you can actually measure your yields back, so you know what phenos to go after and what you're actually extracting. You can work with your growers so that you can maximize your productivity and the product that you're in your SKUs and the product you're offering your customers. So really a great tool, and lots of engineering that went into this.
Something else that's great for commercial on this as well, that's part of this release, is that you can lock a machine down so that you don't have options to change out your pressure settings. The people that are worried about their recipes getting changed or that sort of thing, you can lock down machines with a code, basically. So I can show you how that works.
I've heard of a lot of complaints about that Alchemist walks away, they have an operator that changes and think they can do it a little better. Okay, so you can lock down a recipe and just press start, huh?
You see that now? I can't change.
Yes, it's locked.
I can't change my targets anymore.
Damn. So you only did one of them, you didn't do all of them. You could do whatever you want on the app.
I could do whatever I want. I'm just controlling that one machine there.
So let's just say you want to operate all 3 of these machines, and we have the settings in there, and there's all kinds of settings available, including ramp mode, guys, for your bubble extractions. It's the only way to go. You can start at a material PSI, put in an end material PSI, so that PSI can ramp up along with your temperature, a start temperature and an end temperature, and then what time you want that to happen for. This is a key to no blowouts when you're doing big hash extractions and you want consistency there. Guys, as you can see, all the machines have a different setting on them, target temperature and pressure, material pressure, and he's gonna go ahead and load and change all the machines from the app in front of your eyes and then operate them all in front of your eyes, right?
Yep.
So he's loading a recipe in?
Yep, there's a little recipe in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and select the machines I wanna apply it to. I'm gonna hit apply, and it's gonna change the targets. And then at this point, I'm going to start them all. So there's actions here. I'm going to engage auto press.
So check this out, guys. You can see how this machine is going much slower than the others. That's because it's the one I use every day, and I have in the advanced settings, you can set the pump to half speed, so that it achieves its target material PSI much slower, and that's just how I like to operate. So, or you can do a happy medium. So it's set at 1 as its high speed, and then you can do a 0.75 or a 0.5 or whatever you want to do, and it slows the pump down. So that's the reason that machine is reaching its target material PSI slower than the other two did. The other thing that's different, because I use this machine all the time, it's set for actual minutes and seconds, and that's just set for total seconds. Guys are still working out some extra details on it, but you'll be able to use full functionality from the Nug Smasher app for all of your machines that are IQ or IQ Pro. And you have some
Touch will be on there too.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you have some touch and then pro touch.
You'll load
operation.
turp file recipes to the touch.
Okay,
and
absolutely.
Yeah.
And also something coming soon are hash recipes on turp file. So stay tuned. And also, guys, check out nugsmasher.com. We have some great new products there. We also have a few things coming out. Great big hash machine, that washing machine for bubble hash. You guys will see. That is, the design is out of this world, so we're building the first one now, and it'll soon be on the site for pre-sale. So check that out, along with the actual massive new Nug Smasher Pro IQ. Anything else we're missing, Daniel?
No, I think so.
Right on. Until next time.